discipline in charge are coordinators, teachers, seniors, juniors, and my dear friends. It's me, Anmol Gazrev from grade 9, standing in front of you all to deliver a short speech on the topic of Children's Day. Children are a beloved part of the society and future of the world. Today's children will grow and decide the future of our nation. So Children's Day marks an important day celebrating the innocence and childhood of the children. Children's Day is a globally recognized celebration dedicated to promote the welfare and rights of the children. According to UNICEF, children are the human beings below the age of 18 years, and Children's Day is a day dedicated to raise awareness about the rights of such children and their need for care, education, protection, etc. This day is a reminder for everyone to uphold and respect the rights of children. It reflects on roles of society and individuals in the nurturing of children. This includes ensuring the good access to quality education, healthcare, and a safe environment for their holistic development. In today's present context, with the development of technology, the Children's Day has been even more important. With the advent of technology, children are exposed to even more threats and opportunities. While the technology can foster the creativity and intelligence of the children, it can also expose the children to cybercrime and other threats. So this day urges us to protect the rights of the children and promote their safety. Children's Day was established in 1954 AD by the United Nations as the Universal Children's Day, celebrated annually on November 20th. However, different countries commemorate this day on different dates. In the context of Nepal, Children's Day is celebrated on 14th September each year, and it is celebrated on 15th September in the context of leap years. There are strict laws against child labor and abuse and assault. This day, Children's Day, gives an opportunity to the children for quality education, healthcare, and a safe environment. Children's Day is not only about celebrating the childhood of children, but it is also about raising awareness about their rights. It calls everybody to create a good, safe, nurturing, and empowering environment for the children. So let's celebrate this day, pleasing that we should protect our rights, making an opportunity for a brighter future. Thank you.
Thank you, Anmol.